Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. This is a great way to keep track of who's paying close attention to your post. So let's dive right in. Before we jump into the steps, it's important to know why this matters. See who's saving your content, avoid unwanted leaks of personal moments, and spot potential stalkers or people who might misuse your snaps. Now, first post your Snapchat story. Open the Snapchat app and capture a snap or choose a photo video from your camera roll and add filters, stickers, or text as needed. Then tap send and choose my story to share it with your followers. Now, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Then, under my stories, tap on the story you want to check. Once your story is open, swipe up on the screen. Uh, you will see a list of people who viewed your story. Look for the double green arrow or screenshot icon next to username, and this means they have taken a screenshot. You might also see a small eye icon for viewers and a reply icon for people who rewatched it. If you are using the latest version of Snapchat, you might have access to a story inside. This feature provides more detailed states, including who screenshotted and how often. To access it, tap Insights on your profile page. And that's it. Now you know how to see who is screenshotting your Snapchat story in 2000. Keep an eye on those double green arrows and remember to share wisely. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks.